EAS field teams are using drone and aerial imagery to support your field experiments. Here is an overview of our capabilities. EAS Group has a fleet of drones and trained pilots ready to assess your field experiments. This can lead to multiple benefits. We can provide you with a visual aerial overview of your demonstration sites that you can use for your marketing presentations and your promotional videos. We also use drones equipped with multispectral and thermal cameras to create high-definition orthophoto mosaics. Picture distortions are corrected to represent real field distances. On these orthophotos, we can calculate various vegetation indexes at plot scale, plant emergence counts, and percentage of ground cover. This service is especially relevant to varietal platforms for phenotyping. It is also relevant to fungicide platforms, herbicide experiments, and to fertilizer and biostimulant trials. It complements well-ground human assessment because it provides new quantitative, objective, and traceable data of the full plot area, and it is scalable whatever the field size. We may even detect invisible crop health differences before visual symptoms appear. Aerial drone spraying experiments are also conducted in cooperation with external specialists and according to national legislations. We evaluate the spraying quality as it is directly impacted by the drone settings, the tank mix properties, and the nozzles. Spray drift is another important parameter that we assess in our experiments. You can rely on EAS field teams and our selected partner to provide the best drone solution for your needs.